This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Irene Witt. This 2-bedroom/2-bath cabin is adorable and offers a finished terrace level that could act as an apartment. You could use it like a studio with a sleeping area, kitchenette area and full bath with nice tile shower. It even has a sliding bookcase that creates a secret room when closed. Perfect office, sleeping room, playroom, art studio, or just use it for storage. This cabin offers a peaceful setting with multiple decks and porches to enjoy the great outdoors. This would make a terrific getaway cabin or vacation rental. Close to Ellijay and Blue Ridge, you get the best of both worlds. For more information, review the details below.